Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Okay, I have a project share for you today, and this is for my design team package from Anna, who is My Crafting World Designs, and she has a website, mycraftingworlddesigns.com. I used her shorts die set and her box die set. Now, I've already shared this several times, so if you're interested in those dies, go check her out on her website. You can use it for anything on her website, and just at checkout, put in the code Eileen10 and you'll get 10 off your purchase. 10%, not 10, 10% off your purchase. Sorry, I have a lot of glue strings stuck on my table. Okay, so let's get to this, right? This is the box that I started off in the very beginning. I did add some of the Cricut cardstock on the side just to tie in the pink from the top. And then the green, I put this sticker bling from Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to go back and put some glue on it because I actually just used it directly to the box. And this is the bottom. I got to put my sticker on there. So the shorts die comes with two different cuff styles. I used this one for the top, and then this Summer Days that you see here. It's a die cut, and this is from Coco and Reno. It's called Sunny Days. There's Summer Days, Sunny Days, and something like that, some other saying in there. But that was when I used to get the subscription. Okay, here again, I used the Cricut cardstock. This is from, I don't know, last year. I got it off of Amazon. I added this pocket details here. I also added the belt and the belt loop details. These are all stitch details here and on the bow that comes with the set. And then the shadowing in the background here, that also is a stitch detail. The other thing I want to share is the front here is a pocket. So I have to, oops, there it goes. Uh-oh, now it's there. Okay, I need to make a little 3x3 card just to stick in here and put a little like ribbon at the very top just to add like either a card or a memory. Definitely a nice little secret pocket there that you can add something to it. Okay, so you go into the box. I didn't do anything different to the box, but here is my mini album, and it fits perfectly in the box itself. All right, so sorry, got interrupted. Let's put the box away for now and get this. Oh my gosh. There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna add some hot glue to that edging, redo that. All right, so here we have Summer Sunshine, and this is another die cut that I have in my stash. And I believe it was a gift from, I don't remember who. One of you lovely ladies had gifted it to me, and I can't find it. Let's see. The saying is Sunshine Kisses and Summer Wishes. I just picked out the Sunshine and Summer, and I put it here on the shorts. Also, what I did to my cover is I added some of my iridescent laminate. So you see how it's sparkling? The paper is sparkling. That is just the little sticker laminate that you put over, and then I just die cut my my shorts, my cover layer off, or cut it out. I'm tired. I cannot talk, and this whole weekend has been like a whirlwind. But and so that's what I did with the mini album. I cut it, all the details again using the Cricut cardstock. So this pretty similar to the top of the box. So you can see right there. It's the same color I used on this one. I also used some of my Sunny Days cardstock stickers. It's been used. It's just already been used. I use it. Ooh, don't lose a sticker. I've already used this for previous projects, so I had a few left over. And so I used some glasses. I used some of the sentiments, some flip-flops. Here's another sticker. This is from the puffy sticker set. I don't even have the original packing. It's just what's left over. I used my die cuts again to add in some foliage. I made this little pocket. That's something I just made with a piece of paper. So I traced out a shape. I don't know if you see that paper right there. And that's just my little template that I used to create the pockets for the back. And here you can see that the palm leaves are sticking out. And so the mistake I did here is I added the pockets before I added the belt detail, and now my little leaf gets stuck in there. My intention was to use like a mini photo or a mini tag so that you could put a photo on the tag and then just put it into the pockets. You can still do that. It's just the belt waistband is a little interfering with my pocket. So anyway, here we go. This is my belt. There's the bow. I love this bow. I put some foam on underneath the center here, so it's a little dimensional. And you can see there's a lot of room for photos. Now, the one thing I will do over when I make this, or when I make it, if I make it over again, I would use more than just a 1/4 inch in between spaces. I would probably use a 1/2 inch. That way it's more space. Well, this is still 1/4 inch, but anyway, yeah, I would use a little more space. Also, I used the papers from the paper pad. I've already shared this before. I picked up this paper pad from Walmart, and yeah, I just glued it down to cover the pages. There's a die cut right here. This palm tree die cut is from Coco and Reno from that summer die set. It's when I used to get the subscription. And this is another pocket right here. It's pretty tight because this is thicker cardstock, but there is a tuck space here. Here's some more of those die cuts. I just stuck it in the pocket. It's really tight, so it's not going to fall out. And there's just an opportunity to put maybe a 2x3, one of those mini photos, or if you don't have those mini printers, you could just create it on your computer and print it out into that size that you want. I've done that before. So these little pockets right here, I created on a live with Louisa last week, and I flipped it around so that the notch is on the inside, so that I could put a hole here, and I'll add some, like maybe a seam binding, just so that it's easier to pull it in and out. And you can add like a photo on the back or some journaling. And there is acetate on this pocket on the front side. And I just layered some of the leaves. I put the whole pocket together on that live. I put the word puffy sticker here from the Sunny Days collection. It's one of those collections. This is also from that collection. You know, you could just mix and match it. It'll look really pretty. This is the Walmart paper. Here's more of those puffy stickers from that collection. And I made this little fold out so that you have 3 opportunities for a photo. And also each page, you can see there's a notch right at the very top right here. That's another opportunity for photos. So you could insert a photo on the top, and then when you turn this page, I'll probably have to cut them out so that they go into these pockets. The right size will fit into the pockets. And then here's one of the other pockets that I made with Louisa. Again, I flipped it over so I'm going to punch a hole right here and just use that to add some seam binding. That way it's easier to pull out. And here's some more of those die cuts. I added a sticker inside this little frame here. And there's acetate, and it just all goes well together. So the next page, it's just a double layer here, or double spread. And I just used more of the puffy stickers and another cardstock sticker there. Here's a pocket, and then here's another pocket. I did use my hole punch. This is my hole punch, the Martha Stewart 1-inch punch. I just put that in there and punched it just so we know that that is a pocket and you won't miss it. So there you go. So that was a double page. And then here I just put one of the puffy frames again. Basically, you just print out your photo and put it in there. You could probably decorate a little bit more. Here's another sticker from the sticker collection. Same collection, Sunny Days. And so is this puffy one. So this was actually on the inside of this one. So here's yet another pocket. I didn't decorate this one too much. I just added this really big puffy sticker. And same with this one. I add another puffy sticker there. I feel like I'm missing. Oh, here it goes. Here I added a flip up instead of the like the other one where it flips out and it gives you 3 pages. This one I flip it up. Added a sticker from the sticker collection again, same collection. And then added more stickers down here, a little beach umbrella, beach ball, and some seashells. And that would be a perfect spot for some photo and some journaling. If you guys don't know, I'm going to Guam this July, and I'm taking my son for the first time. And hopefully we can document some great photos. So there you go. There you have it, my little summer beach shorts. You guys, please go check out Anna's website. It is my crafting world. Let me pull this. mycraftingworlddesigns.com. And when you check out, make sure you use Eileen10 for a discount. And I hope you enjoyed this little project share, guys. So thank you, Anna, for allowing me to be a part of your beautiful design team. I'm enjoying these shorts die set. Look at how much room you still have. You could add photos, and this thing can keep on going. I didn't want to add a closure because I didn't want to take away from my little short set. But yep, and it goes into the box that it was made for. And close it all down, and that is a beautiful way. I could just go in and add a number die cut or even just a marker and write on here the month and the year that we went to Guam. I could actually put Guam on here right on the short cuff right there. And then on the back, I need to add my label. But that's it for now. Thank you all for joining, and thank you for subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and it will let you know when I upload new videos or go live. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.